Welcome to How to Apply and Register through DualEnroll.com. DualEnroll is used by most Idaho colleges and universities to register students for their dual credit classes. To start the registration process, navigate to boisestate.dualenroll.com. If you have previously created a DualEnroll account with any Idaho college or university, you can enter your username or email address and password. If you forgot your login information, click on the Forgot Your Username or Password link and follow the prompts. For new students who have never created an account for any Idaho college or university, click on the Create My DualEnroll Account button. Complete each required item. High schools are listed alphabetically. Your password must be at least 6 characters long. After filling in your correct and legal first and last name, use the calendar icon to select your date of birth. The default contact method for creating your account is email. You can provide both an email address and a phone number if you choose. Once you have completed the form, click the Create Account button at the bottom. It's important to note that once you create your account, you will receive either an email or text asking you to confirm your account. Once you have confirmed your account, you will receive a second notification indicating your account is active. Once your account is active, you can then log in. To complete the application, you will need to fill in your personal information. Keep in mind that required fields are highlighted with a red asterisk mark. Do not use characters in the mailing address field, such as periods, dashes, or other symbols. After selecting your legal gender and state of residency, you are required to provide a phone number in the phone number field, even if you elected to not provide a phone number when creating your account. Social Security number is an optional field. Click Update. You will then need to select your citizenship status. Ethnicity questions are optional. Click Update and proceed to release of information. This is a privacy release. As a Boise State student, Boise State is legally required to protect your information. If you would like someone other than yourself to have access to your Boise State information or to ask questions on your behalf, generally a parent or guardian, you can enter their information during this step. We recommend students complete this step, but it is optional. Click Update. Next, you receive the student terms and conditions. Please read and check the acknowledgement box at the bottom. Click Update. Next, for students who are under the age of 18, enter parent or guardian name. Select Contact Preference. Then, enter the required information of parent or guardian email, parent or guardian cell phone, or both. Click Update. Finally, enter your high school graduation year, highest level of education attained by a parent or guardian, and your high school cumulative unweighted GPA. A 2.7 GPA or higher is required to register. Click Update. This will take you to course registration. Register for each Boise State course you want to earn university credit for. Courses are listed alphabetically by the course subject in the first column. You can scroll through the list and find your course, use the keyword search on the top left of your screen, or filter by location to only show courses offered at your high school. Once you have found your course, you need to click on the hyperlink's name, Writing and Rhetoric 1 in this example, find your school and instructor, and click on the Register button on the right. After selecting Register, you will be taken to your status page. Click View Current Status. Pending application response means your registration is being processed. If you are under the age of 18, you will see the one-time task listed for parent consent if it has not yet been completed. Your parent or guardian must provide registration consent if you are under the age of 18. This one-time consent is collected when you register for your first Boise State Concurrent Enrollment course. On the status page, Complete means registration is processed and parent consent is on file. For new students, you will receive a printed letter from Boise State Admissions with your Boise State student ID number and username, and welcoming you to Boise State. Every time you register for a Boise State class, you and your parent or guardian will receive an email or text indicating that you have successfully registered. In addition, you will receive an email with your Boise State student ID number and username. You should now feel well prepared to register for your dual credit courses in DualEnroll. We are excited to welcome you to the Boise State family. If you have questions or concerns, please reach out to our office at concurrentenrollment@boisestate.edu or 208-426-3750.